I had opportunity to go into Home Depot earlier. Saw several Husky deals I thought I'd share. These are good for the 4th of July. Let's just get right into it. Good deals on several things in these little small kiosks in front of the store. There's a 15-piece magnetic screwdriver set, $24.97. It was $38.97. Very nice looking set. These are lift arms. I know most of you guys have seen these to lift like your refrigerator or to lift a door while you're trying to adjust the hinge. $34.88. That's a single, but still, that's a nice tool if you don't have one. SAE 4 metric wrench set. Very nice deal for $19.97. It's a nice 5-piece plier and wrench set, $24.88. It's a nice lift arm. I know a lot of us have seen videos on these. Nice deal, $34.88. Always wondered who sold them. Looks like Husky does. And that screwdriver deal. Very nice set of Husky screwdrivers. $24.97 normally, $38.97. Got their torque wrenches, $54.97 or $64.97. These ratcheting wrench sets by Husky, $29.97. SAE or metric. Nice little Husky 24-piece socket set, $34.97. SAE or metric. Husky branded tool bag, small one, 12-inch, $9.88 each. These mini toolboxes. The difference between what Home Depot and Harbor Freight sells. Look here. This one has a latch. So it's essentially the same box, or very similar, very close in size. I think the Harbor Freight actually has a little better drawers. It's got ball bearings, but the Husky has a latch on top. $19.98. Very nice rolling tool bench, $4.98. This is a $550 value. The top box I got on sale for $348. Husky brand. Nice smooth drawers. Still got several of these 280-piece mechanics tool sets left for 99 bucks. Check your store. It was a Dad's Day special. I hope you found some value in these, as I did. There's really some remarkable deals out there if you just take time to look around. And I think the in-store view might help a few of you. Until the next video, please like and subscribe. And y'all take care and have a great 4th of July.